Hi guys, welcome back to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, we are going to learn how to grow Pterocarpus Mildbraedii or African rosewood, popularly known as Oha in Nigerian language. This highly valued African vegetable tree is widely used for food, traditional medicine, and sustainable agroforestry system. But while many farmers rely on seeds to cultivate it, seed propagation often leads to slow growth, genetic variation, and inconsistent yield. In this video, we explore a more reliable and efficient method of propagating it, using stem cutting, and how to export the cuttings abroad for high survival rate. You will learn the complete process from correct stem cuttings for successful rooting to transplanting. Success begins with selecting a healthy, matured mother tree, producing abundant, healthy leaves. Cut stems of about 15 to 25 centimeters long, containing 3 to 5 nodes. The rooting medium must be a well-drained soil, yet moisture retentive. A recommended mixture is river sand, topsoil, and a well-decomposed organic compost. If available, dip the base of the cuttings into a rooting hormone to encourage faster root formation. This step is optional. Fill your big nursery bags or bucket with the prepared soil. Insert the cuttings 5 to 8 centimeters deep into the soil in the nursery bucket as shown. Firm the soil gently around the base to remove air pockets. Water immediately after planting, but do not flood or pond. Place the nursery under partial shade, not direct sunlight. Consistent moisture is critical, but avoid waterlogging. Rooting typically begins within 3 to 6 weeks, depending on environmental conditions. During this period, water lightly but regularly and protect them from harsh sun. Signs of successful rooting include new leaf emerges after 6 to 8 weeks. When the roots are strong, the plants are ready for transplanting in a well-drained fertile soil. Spacing of 2 to 3 meters between plants for leaf production is recommended. Water thoroughly after transplanting. With proper management, your Oha plants will begin vigorous vegetative growth and consistent leaf production. To export Oha cuttings abroad for planting, rooting process is required to ensure high survival rate in transit. This process helps easy establishment. For pre-rooting, first insert your stem cuttings 5 to 8 centimeters deep into a prepared soil and the shade as showing. Please water them, but do not flood. Ensure continual soil moisture until rooting begins. After 4 to 5 weeks, you will start seeing new leaves from the cuttings as showing. These new leaves confirm a sign of a successful rooting. After this stage of rooting process, you can now dig out the sprouted cuttings for export processing. Wash the cuttings in water to remove soil particles to avoid confiscation by customs. Put the rooting part in a moist wood dust wrapped with tissue paper as showing. Put the wrapped part in a plastic Ziploc bags to hold humid temperature during transit. Put the entire pack in a brown paper bag as showing and close the package. After this, you can send your Oha cuttings through your preferred shipping carrier for export, preferably express shipping, to help fast delivery. At Jibril Enterprise, we ship Oha cuttings worldwide, safely packaged to maintain freshness and viability. Propagating Oha through stem cutting is a practical and efficient method for farmers seeking uniformly faster establishment and commercial success. Please follow Jibril Enterprise for more quality planting materials and farming tips. Thank you. Bye bye for now.